Hey guys, today I'm going to be cleaning my iPhone X and my mom's Samsung Galaxy S8 to prevent the spread of germs during the outbreak in April 2020. To clean the phones, I'm going to be using some 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol and a microfiber cloth. The first thing I'm going to be doing is taking off the case of the phone, and I find an easy way to start is by pushing on where the camera is and holding on the case, and it should pop off. But it'll take a little bit of effort. Then, you'll want to put some of that rubbing alcohol onto the microfiber cloth so you can use it to clean the phone. A good way to start cleaning is to rub the rag around on the phone. Now, I'm rubbing the cloth on the phone in small circles because I think it'll get it a little bit cleaner. Now, I'm going to give the screen a really good cleaning because that's the part of the phone that gets touched the most and it'll probably have the most germs on it. Now, I'm cleaning the case, which will also be probably one of the dirtiest parts of the phone. So, let's get started cleaning it in little circles like we did before. You'll want to make sure you get in all the nooks and crannies so you don't leave any germs around. Now, we're done with the case. So we can just give the phone a wipe over and then put it back in. Now that we've removed all the fingerprints, we can put the phone back into the case. And we're done with the iPhone X. Now, we're going to move on to the Galaxy S8. It's looking really dirty, so we're going to have to work a lot harder on this phone. We're going to start the same way we started on the iPhone, by rubbing the cloth around with some rubbing alcohol. I'm going to give the camera some special attention because it's really full of dirt. not remove these spots that I'm pointing at, because the dirt is stuck under the screen protector. Now, let's start disinfecting the really grimy OtterBox case. I'm going to need to bring out the old electric toothbrush for this job. I brought out a Mr. Clean eraser to try to remove some of the brown marks from the back of the case. I think these marks that won't come off were paint, so we'll just have to live with them for now, or later I might come back and try again. Everything's a lot cleaner now, so I'll put the phone back in the case, and it's done. The phone should be a lot cleaner now, keeping you safer during these times. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay safe.